This is my first time doing a class with Rashad, and it's been a lot of fun. I like the fact that it's a small class and we've had a lot of individual training, or individual instruction, probably is a better way to say it. To be honest, I've been following him for a long time online. Some people might call it stalking, but I just think I'm a fangirl. And we're going to do different things for the 2 days. I think we're going to be shooting inside and outside on tin and glass. Well, it's really good. We started out with a safety lesson, which is very important, and he explained the process to us. Then he demonstrated the process, and then he had my teammate Allison and I each go through it individually. So it's a lot of repetition, and it's given me time to be comfortable with the process and with coating the substrate, because that's a little bit of a challenge. That's probably been the hardest thing, and just getting used to handling the chemicals and the steps, getting them in order and getting them right.
Would you recommend this class to someone else who's looking to get into wet plate photography?
Wholeheartedly. Well, first of all, I'm a photo junkie, and I haven't met a process that I didn't like. And I think that the more processes it helps you to individualize and interpret situations and subjects differently. It's just another tool in my toolbox, and it's a lot of fun.
Would you take another class with Rashad in the future?
Oh, hands down. It'd have to be a longer one where he'd give me more time to ask questions, because I like to ask questions. Yeah, it's been great. I mean, I've had a chance to make mistakes, and for Rashad to say, well, maybe if you would try this instead of that, and then I have an opportunity to try it again until I get it right. So that's been really helpful.